Heavy snowfall this weekend will completely cover the roads all across Indiana, but there will be ranging impacts. Northern Indiana, travel will become difficult. Across central Indiana, it could become dangerous. And then even farther to the south, dangerous to the point where there could be a few roads that turn impassable at times. Here's a list of a few things that you may want to think about having extra in your car. Of course, the basics, making sure the car tank is full and having some extra blankets. The problem with this storm is that it's so cold. During the snow, we'll have temperatures in the single digits and teens, wind chills below zero. So if you were in a situation, crash, a slide off, and it takes a while for emergency crews to get to you, these are a few things that you want to make sure that you have. Got a little time to get things ready. Not in a scary way, but just some extra heads up and reminders before we get to the snowstorm arriving this weekend.